How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a good day. Decent day in the market. Traded a bit this morning. I didn't go live because it was kind of choppy and I didn't even know if I was going to trade. But when I finally did, I got this one here back up when we start coming up. Well, actually, better on a 5 minute. So I thought we might pop out here. Took my first little small trade. And then it came down here. Took a long. Got a little tiny trade. And I thought it might continue, pull back down, of course. This was kind of like a little chop zone, but I was thinking like, okay, it might break out here, but it didn't. Pull back down in. This one was like break even, and then we came down here, and after we come back and retest our little box, I took a short, but immediately got shaken out and I pumped right back up in. And once we got back up over, I took a long, a small little long here, and then a pullback. And once again, once we wicked back over it, I got long, rolled it up a little ways, so that was a decent trade. And then I thought we might be coming back in the box, so I took a short and got stopped out right away. And then I took another long, we pulled back to the 14, and as soon as we hit the 14, we wicked down below, got back up above. I took a long here and took it from the 25s up to the 44s. I was looking for the 50s, but it wicked up next to the 50s, next to my take profit, and then it came right back down. So I was like, oh, whatever. I was up like, I don't know, I think it was almost 800 bucks. So I was like, yeah, whatever, I'll just get out of it. So I got out of it, and yeah, and then it pumped right up above that. So whatever, no big deal. But it was a decent day, you know what I mean? I can't really complain. For an amount I was down, I think I was down like 800, so I brought it back up, which is fine. Just from those few little trades, like they got tore up pretty quick, right? But it is what it is. Got it back, so it's fine. Probably wait for open now for something cool to happen and see what's going to go on there. And then we'll look for our levels. Like, this is nice. It was a nice run up. Now we might just consolidate now for the next hour until open. I don't know. Still kind of got a flu, so I'm not really super excited for like streaming right now. But yeah, I come in and looked at it, and I wasn't even going to. Like, it was just consolidating here until I seen this, and then got stopped it to the downside and start moving back up. So I was like, okay, this is probably a good setup once we get back over the 14 and everything's starting to separate. So I'm like, yeah, okay, I'm gonna try that. But it worked out okay. You know, gotta be a little more precise on my entries and stuff like that, and wait for it to really show me exactly what's gonna happen. So I'll be doing that, focusing on that a little more. But if you need any accounts to take Profit Trader, please use code JW. Any accounts to Trade Day, JWT. I got 40% off now, no activation fee. I think Apex is back to 30% off, or 40% off, no activation fee. And Earn to Trade code JW. They got 60% off and no activation fee. And but yeah, they're decent accounts too, right? They're all good. But obviously, take Profit Trader. You know what I mean? Come on. But anyway, that's it for me, man. Hopefully you have a good day. Be careful trading. Like I said, I'm gonna look at this probably to open. I might even come back on. All depends how I'm feeling. But yeah, that's it for me, man. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a good one, or maybe later. God knows. Take care.